Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada. And you can find me online at stampedtreasures.com. And I'm excited to be here today to share with you the January 2022 class to go. So this class to go features a beautiful new bundle, or suite, I guess, from the January to June 2022 mini catalog. It is called the New Horizon Suite, but the bundle is the On the Horizon bundle. So you can see that it's a beautiful stamp set, some great greetings in there, and then some dies to go along with it. And most of these dies are complementary dies rather than coordinating dies. You can see that this is the only one that will actually cut out this image, and then the rest are meant to kind of complement and just allow you a little bit more versatility in your crafting. So Laura and I are super excited to release this class. All right, so there are a few different options for you to participate. Now, if you live in Canada, you have two different options. Option one is you pay a class fee of $45, and if you need it shipped, then it's an extra $5 for shipping. And it will include half a package of the beautiful New Horizons DSP. So here I've got one of each sheet of DSP to just kind of show you. This DSP it's so beautiful. It's got beautiful watercolored kind of backgrounds or scenes that really work perfectly with this bundle. And then on the back, it's kind of some great watercolor kind of backgrounds that you can use. All right, so you get two of each of these sheets, so 24 sheets of this 6x6 DSP. You'll get the 1/8 inch cotton ribbon combo pack. So you'll get both of these spools, and these, you can see that they're 1/8 of an inch. One of them is Misty Moonlight, the other one is Blushing Bride, and this ribbon is so soft and easy to use. It ties beautiful bows. So you'll get a package of that, the Pebbles enamel shapes, and these work really well with this suite as well, and 6 card kits. So the pre-cut card pieces to create 6 different cards, as well as by email you'll receive from me the PDF, which has a full supply list, measurements, photos, and links to a video for each one of these cards that walks you through how to create the projects. Okay, so all of that is $45 plus $5 shipping if needed. All right, registration deadline is January 27th. Option 2 is if you don't already own this bundle, the On the Horizon bundle, because you will need this bundle in order to create the cards as we have, you can place a minimum order of $107.50, which is the cost of the suite. All right, using the class host code, which I will post in the description below, and I'll post a link to all this information as well. If you place an order of $107.50, whether you choose to order this suite or other product totaling $107.50, that's completely up to you. As long as you use that host code, I will send you the pre-cut card kits absolutely free, as well as the PDF. Okay, option number 3, if you live outside of Canada, this is a great option for you. Because I can't send you any pre-cut card kits or any Stampin' Up! Supplies, you can purchase the tutorial. So I will have a link in the description to where you can find that. And option number 4, if you are part of my Treasure Stampers team, then you can request this tutorial absolutely free. And if you would like the pre-cut card kits, you can request those up until the 27th for just $15. All right. If you are not a member of my Treasure Stampers team and live in Canada, now is a great time to become a demonstrator. You can join my team for just $135. You get to choose $165 worth of free product. That means you could purchase this suite as part of your starter kit. Plus, you get to add on 2 additional stamp sets of your choice from either the annual catalog or the January to June mini catalog. All right, so it's a great time to join, and that promotion is available until February 28th during celebration. All right, okay, so would you like a little peek at the cards? Okay, I'm going to do a quick little flip through of the cards. We've got 6 different ways to use this bundle. And the cards are absolutely stunning. You can see just by doing a quick flip through that the DSP really is the star of the show for this class. Okay, now the supplies that you will need to have on hand is you'll need Old Olive ink, Smoky Slate, Misty Moonlight, or colors similar to this. Okay, so if you don't have Old Olive and you've got Mossy Meadow, that's close enough. If you've got Pear Pizzazz, that's close enough. So you want colors similar to this. Memento, so you'll want a black ink. And then I've also, one of the projects features some white embossing powder. So you'll need some Versamark, some white embossing powder, and a heat tool. Or if you've got our white craft ink, you can replace those 3 items with craft ink. Okay. The other thing that you will need is you will need an Old Olive dark Stampin' Blend, because we're going to do some splattering with that. And then you will need an embossing folder. So the sample where we embossed is using the bark embossing folder. If you don't have the bark embossing folder, I'm sure you've got an embossing folder, whether it's the subtle that has embossing folder that is retired, or some other embossing folder that is very similar. And then lastly, you'll need either the layering circles or a 2 1/4 inch circle punch. All right, so remember the deadline to participate is January 27th. I apologize for my phone ringing. I hope that you guys are as excited as Laura and I are about this class to go. Thanks so much for watching.